Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about thinking into results, and we are working with personal goals and professional goals. And if things are not working for you, do you know what is it? It's to do with your own beliefs. You might say, I know it. Consciously, you might know it. Subconsciously, no. Because if things are not working according to what we want, according to the way we wanted to see the results, the reason is whatever your beliefs are in the subconscious mind. Your beliefs are already created when you were little, when you were a baby, and with that environment, with the family, the friends, the news, the environment, whatever the beliefs you're holding, and that is you're connected to the level of frequency. So we attract everything according to the frequency. The frequency you are in, according to your subconscious mind, and that's what you're attracting. Because according to my testimonial, I have seen doctors or very educated people, they are stuck, they cannot move forward. The reason is it's not about they're not smart and they got a lot of knowledge here as a conscious mind, but in the subconscious mind they might not believe in something. Their beliefs are not alignment with what they want. It can be the money, they want to have more money, or they want to see the business expand, and they may be trying to sell the product, whatever the reason is around business or personal goals. The reason is because our own beliefs, they are already created, whatever the beliefs we have been created, and that's where we are attracting. That's what the level of frequency is. So whatever the level of frequency is, that's what we're going to keep attracting. Doesn't matter intellectually how much information we keeps gathering it. If you're not going to change, override your beliefs, nothing going to change. This is what I have learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor. He taught this information more than 50 years. And do you think he wasn't aware of it? He was definitely aware of it, how the mind works. This is what I have learned through the thinking to result. And this is what I'm doing. I'm changing my beliefs. I have really strong beliefs also, something I don't want. And I trying to change my beliefs. And I'm seeing the result, but I'm still changing every single day. The change comes constant repetition, the beliefs you're trying to impress in the subconscious mind. It's ongoing process, it's ongoing growth, it's ongoing the beliefs you want to impact on your subconscious mind, the results you want to see. So I am changing. I can see my environment is changing also according to the way I wanted to see my environment, the way I wanted to experience. If we are not aware of it, we can fight with the environment, we can fight with the family, the friends, the environment, because things are not going according to what you want, according to what you're trying to create or do or have. And is everything going against of ourselves because we don't know how to change it. We're trying to change others, we're trying to force others, we're trying to force things to see that change and the result. No, it's not about changing anybody. It's not about forcing anybody. It's about yourself, your own mind. And I'm very much aware of that. Is if something is not working for me, it's to do with me. It's to do with my paradigm. It's to do with my beliefs. So to change it, I can see my result. I can see the change. I can see the change the way I want to see the change. So anybody can do that, but it's a process. It's a process. It's not about just gathering the information. You might going to listen my YouTube, but it's more than that. How to change your paradigm, how to change your beliefs, how to change your beliefs according to what you want to see the result. It's a constant repetition, something you overwrite it, and then you are overwriting your paradigm. You are overwriting your beliefs. First, you have to know what's not working for you. Then you have to find out what you would like to working for you, from negative to positive. So positive, yeah, you have to make the affirmation, the beliefs you want to impact on your subconscious mind. You want to impress it, and you have to make it affirmation. Affirmation is with emotions, with the adjective, with the something that as a beliefs. You have to write it down, and you have to make it a really small affirmation. And then of course you can record it, you can affirm it, you can write it down. According to my mentor, he used to, and thinking to result tell us, you have to write your affirmation 100 times a day. And if you can do that, that's good luck. If you can't do it, record it and start listening it, and listen it around 20 minutes, and listen it few times a day. If you want to change your beliefs, it's a constant repetition, and this is how we start to change our over this is how we overwrite our paradigm. This is how we start to change our beliefs as something we want. And if you think just gathering the information, watch the YouTube, it's gonna work for you. It will work. You will understand. You will have the awareness. But to have the shift, to have the change, this is the process. It's a process. So we have to use the process. This is what I have shared with you. If you can do that process, good luck. If you can't, you can message me, and this is what I do. I help with personal goals, professional goals as a business, and I'm trying to build my business, and I can help you with that, to do that also. And because my beliefs are changed, and this is how I'm building my business, because I believe in myself, have faith in myself. As I said, you have to change your beliefs. If you believe in yourself, you have faith in yourself, you can do, have, and create anything. And when we don't have belief, and we are living in a fear, no way you're going to do it. You're going to go in a ripper, and you're going to go roller coaster again and again, same result, same people, same circumstances, and you'll be forcing things, you'll be fighting with things. And this is not the way. Okay, this is what I'm sharing with you, and what I have learned from thinking to result, I'm sharing with you. So, and once you know, all your results are coming from you, not from anybody else. And it seems like from other people or the news and the environment, but it's not. It's all everything to do with your own mind. The way we are operating our own mind, the way our using our own mind, and you are experiencing. You are the mirror of yourself. You are the environment is but looking glass. And I think I forgot a quote from who wrote that. I think anyway. I think, sorry about that. You can Google it. Environment is what our looking glass. Okay, that quote. I'm sharing this quote from someone, and that's what is it. Environment is but our looking glass. Whatever the environment you are sharing, experiencing, that's what we are thinking. That's what our beliefs are. That's what we are, the mirror of that environment. Whatever we are perceiving it. It's the mirror through our own thinking, our own feelings. And that's what we're gonna keep experiencing the same thing. And if you had enough, try to change your paradigm. Paradigm is a multitude habits in your subconscious mind, and write down what you want as a positive. First, you have to write down negative. From negative, you have to write down positive, and make it small affirmation, record it, affirm it, write it down. You can write down 100 times a day, and then affirm it, record it, and be there. Your focus must be there. Your emotions must be there, because we attract everything according to how we feel emotionally, and that's what we attract. Okay, so you have to attract something you want, and start to and try it for 40 days. See what happens. 40 days, every single day. You have to take the action every single day. This is what I have learned from my mentors, you have to take action every single day. It's just like planting the seed. If you're not going to water it, fertilize it, take the weeds out, what's going to happen to the seeds? They're going to die. Same with the goals. Once you have the goals, personal goals, professional goals, business goals, you have to take the action. You have to take the weeds out. Your weeds are negativity, watching the news or listening to the negative, and try not to give your focus and your energy. And we cannot force others, we cannot stop that, but at least we can control our own mind. And that's all I wanted to share with you. So hopefully you're going to start changing your own beliefs, and definitely you're going to see the change. And whatever the change you are looking for me, this I'm testimonial here, I'm talking with my testimonial. Things are changing, I'm changing, and my environment is changing also, the way I wanted to perceive the. And you can do that same. Okay, so if you do need a further help, let me know, send me the message, and leave your comments. Your comments is important. And what do you think about the YouTube? If you like the YouTube, give thumbs up. And hopefully you're going to start to change your beliefs. And once you start to do that, you're definitely going to see the change. If you want to see the change, you have to change, not change others, yourself. Thank you and have a great day. And please leave your comments. Your comments is important for me. What do you think about your own beliefs? Are they sound beliefs, or you need to change? You know how you can tell they are sound beliefs? From your emotions and feelings. If your emotions or feelings are not alignment with what you want intellectually, that means your beliefs needs to change. With a constant repetition, you can read a lesson, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, about about the autopilot, like a repetition. There is one lesson in the Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. You can start reading this lesson for 40 days every single day, and definitely going to help you. This is how we did. We had to study every single day, one each lesson for 40 days, on faith, on the desire, on the autopilot, on the repetition. So you can do the same thing. It's actually the lesson is on autopilot, or how you can become an autopilot with the repetition. So by Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Thank you for letting me share the information, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.